says a
The
demonstration
National
on
Weather
deck.
Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for Athens County in southeastern Ohio, Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, Washington County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Roane County in central West Virginia, Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, Ward County in northwestern West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, Mason County in western West Virginia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain occurring across the area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen and water levels will rise throughout this afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Athens, Marietta, Belpre, Jackson, Wellston, Nelsonville, Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Ripley, Spencer, Pomeroy, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Oak Hill, Beverly, Rio Grande, Albany and Elizabeth. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Here is a flood bulletin for the following county: Lawrence, Kentucky, and Wayne, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for the Tug Fork River at Kermit. From late tonight to Monday evening. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 24.7 feet. Flood stage is 38.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 38.9 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Impact. At 38.0 feet, several roadways in low-lying areas along the river are flooded. Here is on March 23, 1952. Here is a flood bulletin for the following counties: in Kentucky, Boyd and Greenup, and the following counties in Ohio, Gallia and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for the Ohio River at Point Pleasant. From late Monday night to late Wednesday night. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 26.5 feet. Flood stage is 40.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Tuesday morning to a crest of 43.0 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Wednesday evening. Impact. At 43.0 feet, Ohio Route 7 at Kyger Creek and Addison is flooded. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for the Ohio River at Ashland. From late Monday night to Thursday afternoon. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 37.9 feet. Flood stage is 52.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Tuesday morning to a crest of 55.0 feet Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Thursday morning. Impact. At 55.5 feet, Route 3 is flooded at Cadlettsburg. Here is a flood is flooded at Cadlettsburg. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for Boyd County in northeastern Kentucky, Carter County in northeastern Kentucky, Greenup County in northeastern Kentucky, Lawrence County in northeastern Kentucky, southwestern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, Cabell County in central West Virginia, northern Lincoln County in central West Virginia, southeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, southern Mason County in western West Virginia, Putnam County in western West Virginia, Wayne County in western West Virginia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving across the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen, with an additional inch possible this afternoon. Heavy rain will move across areas that experienced flooding earlier today, with flooding this afternoon likely to result in greater impacts. Some locations that will experience flooding include Huntington, Ashland, Ironton, Nitro, Grayson, Louisa, Winfield, Coal Grove, Olive Hill, Wayne, Hamlin, Chesapeake, Proctorville, Blaine, Beach Fork State Park, Cannonsburg, Lake Vesuvius, Yatesville Lake State Park, Grayson Lake State Park, and Carter Caves State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Here is a flood. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 13, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Carroll, Chester, Crockett, Decatur, Dyer, Gibson, Hardeman, Harding, Haywood, Henderson, Madison, McNary, and Weakley. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Here are the latest. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Boyle County in central Kentucky, Casey County in central Kentucky, Garrett County in central Kentucky, Lincoln County in central Kentucky, Madison County in central Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain and extensive ponding of water across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement agency when you can do so safely, and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville. The National, with a temperature of 61. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Greene County in central Kentucky, Hart County in central Kentucky, southern LaRue County in central Kentucky, Marion County in central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, northern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Edmonson County in south central Kentucky, northwestern Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky, northeastern Warren County in south central Kentucky, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 3:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Emergency Management reported extensive ponding from heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement agency when you can do so safely, and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.
3 p.m.
Flooding is expected over the warned area. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, south central Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gum Springs in Clark County, or near Arkadelphia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Arkadelphia, Caddo Valley, Gum Springs in Clark County, Richwoods, Friendship, Joan, Lower Lake Recreation Area, Grief Town, Midway in Hot Spring County, Hollywood. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 66 and 88. The National Houston. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, western Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Caddo Valley, or 9 miles east of Arkadelphia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leola, Prattsville, Powen, Field, Jenkins Ferry State Park, Dogwood, Donaldson, Friendship, Belfast, Lonell, Bowie, Joan, Willow, Brush Creek, Millerville, Crossroads in Grant County. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 81 and 82.